Can you really sell an AI-generated book on Amazon KDP? Will Amazon allow it? Or will they ban your account? In this video, I'll break down Amazon's AI content policies for 2025. What's allowed, what's not, and how to publish AI-generated books without getting into trouble. Let's go. Step 1. Understanding Amazon KDP AI policy. Amazon KDP allows you to publish AI-generated books, but they have specific rules. Recently, Amazon updated its policy, and here's what you need to know. AI-generated content. This includes text, images, or translations fully created by AI tools. If AI wrote your book or generated your illustrations, you must disclose this when publishing. AI-assisted content. If you wrote the book yourself but used AI for editing, improving, or brainstorming, then this is considered AI-assisted, and you do not need to disclose it. Copyright compliance. You are responsible for ensuring that all AI-generated or AI-assisted content does not violate copyright laws or Amazon content guidelines. Step 2. How to disclose AI-generated content on Amazon KDP. If you are using AI to generate your book, you need to inform Amazon during the publishing process. Here's how. Go to Amazon and start your book upload process. Enter your book details. Fill in the title, subtitle, author name, and other required information. Disclose AI usage. In the content section, Amazon will ask if your book contains AI-generated content. Select Yes if AI created any part of your book, text or images or translations. Select No if AI only assisted you for editing or brainstorming. Preview and set pricing. Click Publish and wait for Amazon review. Step 3. Best practices for AI-generated books. When creating AI-generated books for Amazon KDP, it's crucial to refine and enhance the content to ensure quality and compliance. Never copy and paste AI-generated text directly. Edit and improve it to make it more engaging and original. If you're using AI-generated images, make sure they are unique and do not violate any copyrights. Additionally, always run a plagiarism check, since AI can sometimes produce content similar to existing works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials.